Hi, I'm attorney Ryan Ramsey with the Brown Defense Firm. If your license has been revoked because of multiple convictions for operating while intoxicated, operating while visibly impaired, or any other drunk driving charge, we're here to help. Oftentimes, people are afraid of the process because they've heard about the terrible results that occur when people go it alone. However, if you have an attorney on your side, I can direct you through that process very easily. You are going to be responsible to prove by clear and convincing evidence that you will no longer drink and drive. The only way to do that is to give the Secretary of State all of the information showing that you fully understand what you went through and that you've addressed any potential issues to their satisfaction. I can help you address those issues. If you have any questions, feel that you're eligible, or would like a consultation, please contact me at the number provided.